Welcome to my page. Let's continue on our factorization. We have some quadratic expression here. So let's start by solving from 1. Okay? Let's start by solving from 1. We have 1 is y squared plus 4yb minus 21b squared. So now we have two letters that are squared, y squared and p squared. So what we do in this case? What we do is don't mind the p square at the end, but what you do is to follow our usual steps. What is the coefficient of y square? 1. You multiply by the last term, which is 21 now. The coefficient of the p square will still give you 21. Okay? So you find the factors of this 21 that at the end, when you add them, you have plus 4, and when you multiply, you have minus 21. So we have 3, 7, and 7, 1. Okay? So what we need here is to add plus to the bigger number because we're going to have plus 4. So we have plus 7 yp and minus 3yp. That is so. So you substitute it in place of this 4yp, which is y squared plus 7yp, okay, minus 3yp minus 21p squared, okay? So follow it like this. That is how you do it. So you pair it 2 here, these two. What is common? We have y here into y plus 7p, okay? So what is common in this one? We have 3p minus 3p. Into this, we have y minus gives plus. Okay, we have 7p. Okay, so the answer now is y minus 3p in bracket. You write one of the bracket, y plus 7p. So that is the answer. It's as simple as ABC. Okay, mind you, I said in the last video that what you have in this bracket must be equal to this one whenever you are doing factorization. So take note of that. Number 2, we have 12m squared minus 4mn minus 5n squared. So you multiply this by this. 12 multiplied by 5 will give us 60, I think. Okay, so we now have what is the factor? We are looking for the factors of 60 that whenever we add, we'll have minus 4mn, and when we multiply, we'll have minus 60. Okay, we are looking at minus 60 because there's minus here. So what is that? We have 2 here, 30, 2 we have 15, 3 we have 5, and 5 we have 1. Okay, so but when you look at it, you can multiply this times this and give us 6, this times this one and give you 10. So that 6 multiplied by 10 will give 60. So because we have negative here, the middle one has negative, so let the bigger factor has negative. So but you put the alphabet mn. So we have 12m squared minus 10mn plus 6mn minus 5n squared. Okay, so that is what we have. We now have what is common. We have what is common here is what can divide 12 and can also divide 10. We have 2. 2m can go. Let's see, 2m can go into here. We have 6m minus, what do we have here? We have 5n. Okay, close it. What is common here? What is common is n is what? Plus n. That is common. We have 6m minus 5n. Okay, so 2m plus 5 plus n plus n, then you write one of the brackets, 6m minus 5n. So this is the answer. Okay, number 3, let's solve it quickly. We have 5 minus 7a minus 6a square. Okay, don't mind how it is being disfigured. It's being turned upside down. Just multiply this, and you have your 30. Okay, you have your 30, and you find the factor. Mind you, what you are going to have is minus 30. Okay, at the end when you multiply. So, but let's find the factor of this. We have 3, 5, 5, and half this. Because we have minus 7, so the bigger factor should carry minus. Okay, so what you do is multiply 2 times 5 so that we have bigger factor and 3. So when you put minus and you put plus, everything is solved. Okay, so we have 5 minus 10a, okay, plus 3a minus 6a squared. Okay, so what is common is 5. Into here, we have 1 minus 2a. What is common here? We have plus 3a is common. We have 1 minus 2a. Okay, so write one of the brackets and the outside number, 1 minus 2a. And that solved the whole exercise. So go through it again and play it over. Whatever you don't understand, put it in the comment section, and see you in the next video.